Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room. Uh, gonna be doing some computer projects. So, appropriate place to be, huh? Um, Computer project number one. I got an APC battery backup power scrubber unit. I'm gonna attach a 30 amp hour mobility scooter battery to, if the battery's still good. If not, probably one of the 50 amp deep cycle mobility scooter batteries would still be good. Anyway, can you imagine 30 amp hour as opposed to one of them little itty bitty motorcycle batteries they put in the battery backup power scrubber? Yeah, that's a 12-volt motorcycle battery. You go to Napa Auto Parts if you want to replace that. It's like $40. Not what APC charges you. Yeah. Hey, I called and asked me any way I could attach bigger batteries. No, we can't do that. Don't even think about doing that. You have to buy a great big unit with gigantic submarine batteries. No, I don't. And I have a great big wagon load of furniture you can munch on for that comment. Buy a bigger one. Yeah. That's the overweening greed of modern business. And they wonder why people go out of their way to stick it to the big corporations, because the big corporations are ripping off anyone who gets in their way. Anyway, uh, and there are some furniture modifications, excrescences, attachments I've done that I'm going to show you. They look crude, but hey, materials on hand serve the function and they're still working. What's better than that? Spend money I don't have, go into bigger debt for something that's pretty? I got a wagon load of stuff that comes out of the dairy farm for you. Anyway, Poppy's gonna go now.